Hi everybody! For this tutorial you will need, of course, a wooden bracelet, and here I used, this is actually a mixed media project. I've used some gold leaf, the pyrography, and some color pencil for the butterflies. I chose a very simple design just because there is so much going on here, and I wanted to use the color pencil, so I've used these very simple designs from this book that I've shown you before in other videos. This one is animals, but you also have plants and other kinds of illustrations. This is so good. I love these books by Jim Harter. These are 19th century copyright-free illustrations. 1419, so you have a lot to choose from, and they are really beautiful. I love these books. And so let's start with the tutorial. For the pyrography part, I was very happy that I had chosen a very simple design, because the shape of the bracelet doesn't help at all this part. I had to place this tube inside the bracelet so that it wouldn't slip as much, and I use a writing tip for this, because it's a very small design and I wanted to add just a little bit of detail, and there was no other way. I think that the writing tip was the best one to use with this. I used the same technique for the second butterfly. This project, like all the other pyrography projects, cannot be rushed. Take your time, because the bracelet slips a little bit and you can make a mistake, even though you will be using the gold leaf. It can cover some mistakes, but just take your time, do this slowly, add the amount of detail that you can, and it will be fine. Now the gold leaf part. Before you apply the gold leaf, you have to apply this solution so that the gold leaf will stick to the wood. It's this milky solution. You apply this with a semi-hard brush and let it dry for about 15 minutes, and then you can apply the gold leaf. The gold leaf is actually very messy. It sticks and flies all over the place. So what I recommend is to use the hands very carefully and a brush to help you. For the color part, I use some color pencils with a very soft lid. You can also use pastel. It's also very easy to mix colors and to spread them over the wood. Don't forget to use a fixative at the end of the work so that the pencil doesn't bleed outside the areas. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the project and have fun.